Here we go.
Money, money, making crap for money, money, and money, money, making crap for money, money, yeah. 他们都在说有钱才能做主啊，加入消费主义，先赢花钱不是错。被市场的预算多的不快数不清，有垃圾点缀的歌，我简直都想听。自卑敏感也会围绕在你周围。渴望财富不断在你心中积累，幻想买些奢侈品来塞进包包，你流的那些口水简直就像花和草草。想让我帮你吗？你简直在做梦。
Rebounded by Paulo. Cassius driving double. First possession. Cassius in the middle. Pointing. To Cassius again. To Cassius again. Cassius to Cassius. Cassius again. Take a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Peko. Peko to Cassius. To Obanyana. Dribbling the ball. To Cassius. Cassius to Paulo. Paulo. Easy to move by Paulo. Raya dribbling the ball. Raya to Judy. On the corner. Good ball. Last touch by Black. Inbounded by Oscar Abaya. Abaya to Arcania drives. Take the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Peko dribbling the ball. Cassius to Obanyana, easy two shot. Again, by Obanyana. Cha-ching, by Obanyana. Cassius, Raya dribbling the ball. Raya. Oh, it's intercepted by Peko again, but taken by Banyegas, 2 points. Cassius dribbling the ball. Cassius pointing to Cassius again. Take a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Paulo drives. Drop to Obanyana. Another 2 points. Back-to-back points by Obanyana. A 4-point made by Obanyana in just 30 seconds. Oscar Abaya, the veteran. To Benegas. Intercepted by Paulo to Cassius driving in the middle. Pass to Peko. Intercepted by Raya, the commissioner. Hounded by Peko to Arcania. Driving. Take a shot and makes it. A floater by Arcania. We make it easy. Looks easy by Arcania. 2 points. Score pa rin. 4-6 in favor of Black. Cassius to Peko to Obanyana takes shot. Another 2 points by Obanyana. 3 in a row by Obanyana make it again by himself. Happy birthday, Obanyana. Raya to Juni take a shot. Corner. Rebounded by Cassius in the middle. Oh! It's a traveling violation called by Bodok. Inbounded to Oscar Abaya. Abaya during the move. Abaya in the middle. Abaya to Arcania miss it. Rebounded by There's a foul. Oscar Abaya, first foul. Ilan team foul? First team foul. Bounded by Cassius. Bola Cassius. He got it. Cassius in the middle. Cassius to Peko. Peko takes shot. Missed the back shot. The back is closed by Peko. Raya dribbling the ball. Raya in the middle. To the veteran Oscar Abaya. To Raya takes. Oh, traveling violation. What a goal by the referee. Scout Bodok. Inbounded by. Oh, it's all almost intercepted by Rayat. Same ball. Castres. Castres to Castres. 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 Castres with the ball. To Castres again. Oh, lose the ball. Cesar Rayat. Rayat in the middle. To Acanya. Acanya right and miss it. Castres. Castres in the middle. Castres in the middle. Oh, by the way, Banyana takes it. There's a shot. Late violation. It's time. 8-4. 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. Second, 5 minutes of the first quarter. It's 3. Yeah, Blanco. Blanco. Hey, white team, it's black ball. Black ball. Next possession, white. Next possession, white. Next possession, white. Fernando, number 22, in the middle. How they play? Merote. To Noel. Noel, right, take a shot. And rebounded by loose ball. Rebounded by Tarantang. Solano pitch. Go. What's the call, eh? So what's happening? Why ball? In the vertical. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Sabi niya, go. Palapasin mo yun.
Six takes a 3 and miss it. Rebounded by Merote. Merote takes a shot. Point by Merote. Fernando in the middle. Fernando to Noel. Noel to Karandang to Castres looking for 9. It's a troubling violation called by the referee. It's a troubling. Castres. Raya to Villegas, take a jumper. Miss it. Rebounded by Castres to Noel. Noel kicking the ball. Noel. Looking for another. To Solano. Solano take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Rayat. Rayat in the middle. To Acanya. Acanya right makes. No ball by the referee. Tarantang in the dribble. Tarantang. Oh, look at the ball. Rayat to Six to Merote. Merote fakes. Correct. What a play by Merote. It's 8-0. It's a tie-balloon game. Fernando. Out by Rayat to Noel. Noel to Tarantang. Good forward. It's white ball. Called by Scott Mojo. It's white ball. Rayat bringing the ball. Rayat to Sing. Troubling violation. What a shot by Scott Mojo. Very shot. Fernando bringing the ball. Fernando. Oh, let's go. Good ball. Solano. There's a blocking foul. Who's foul, ref? 34 foul. 34 ba doon? O, sige. Ole. Fernando take shot. Miss it. Acanya. To Rayat drives. And miss it. Rebounded by Karandang. Noel. Villegas, numero 10. Oh, that was goal. Taken by Noel. Noel, over the ball. Noel. To Castres. To Solano. Solano makes. One play makes Raya. Arcanya 2-on-1. Numero 10. To Arcanya. And makes it. 10-8. It's a 2-point game. Change favor. Castres moving the ball. Castres to Noel. Noel picks. To Fernando. Loses the ball. Momentum shift to White.
43 seconds.
Seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. 40. Rayat in the middle. Rayat calling the shot. To Arcanya. To Singh. Singh takes a shot. Minute out. Rebounded by Arcanya. Oh, missed by Arcanya. Rebounded by Caranda to Solano. Seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. Oh, white ball. Come on. Seconds to go. 7 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Take a shot. Oh, it's time. All of the first quarter. 2-point game. White team leading the game by 2 points.
Kung si Pizza tumira noon, pasok yun.
Next possession block. Second. Next possession block. Abaya leading the ball. Abaya in the middle. Villegas. There's a foul. 1-7 foul. Shooting foul by Villegas. First to go. Makes it. Arcanya now. Yakangan sa ngayon. Okay. Ano ko dito? Ayos na? Walang problema? Okay. Oo. Walang pamalit. Second shot. Make it! Well made. It's a 4-point game. Favor of White. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres. Dribbling the ball. In the middle. Peko to Castres. To Banyana drives. There's a foul. Who's foul, right? Arcanya, number 54, foul. Missing first free throw by Banyana. Second free throw. Makes it. 12-9. It's a 3-point game. 12-9. Arcanya, counted by Castres. Fernandez in the middle. Fernandez to Abaya. Apaya. Apaya to Villegas. Villegas to Tuli. Hit the ball. Hit the ring. There's a foul. There's a foul. While Yinding has a foul. Okaboy. Middle court. Middle court. Tama. 3 points. Castres. Castres to Castres. Castres again. Castres. To Castres again. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Judy. Judy to Arcana. Arcana to win. In the middle. In the side. Arcana take a shot. And makes the bounce shot. Knocking by net. Not net by Arcana. It's a 5-point game. Castres in the middle. Castres in the middle. Castres and Palo looking for a pass. Or intercepted. Taken by Palo. Palo to Castres. Castres, wala shot and a play from Palo and Castres. 14-11. 14-11. Arcana. Arcana take a shot and makes it 3. Arcana making by himself. A 5-0 run by himself. Castres, yeah, 10 points. 17-11, 6-point game. Castres to Peko. Peko looking for Palo inside. Palo takes a shot and makes it. 17-13 by Palo. Apaya ko Arcana. Arcana, baby ko. Arcana to, Fernandez. Sing takes the 3. Oh, it's another 3 by Sing. Rebounded. Jumbo. It's Black ball. Next possession, White. Okay. Castres. There's a foul. Oh, sino? Ano nangyari? Loose ball? Palo? 91, Palo. Okay, it's a 4-point game. 17-13. This is the second 5 minutes of the second quarter. It's a 4-point game. Hernandez to Sing. Sing take a shot. In and out by Sing. Rebounded by Raya. Raya takes a shot. There's a foul. Foul, 45 foul. Lacking foul. Solano.
Masyado kasi
13 foul by Black.
Bawasan mo daw. Kain pa! Hindi tumatama eh.
Nice free throw by Commissioner.
Body contact lagi eh, dahil sa laki ng tiyan eh.
Second free throw. Another shot by Commissioner. 19-13. Castres delivering the ball. Castres lose the ball. Castres to Solano. Solano takes a shot. Misses. Rebounded by Villegas. Villegas to Raya. Fernandez to Raya. Raya to the middle. Raya to Merote to Sing. Sing to Johnny Fernandez. To Merote again. What a play! What a shot by Merote. 21-13. It's an 8-point game. Castres in the middle. Defended by Merote. To Noel. Noel to follow. Miss it. Oh, what a loose ball. Rebounded by Castres. Castres to Solano. Solano takes an easy two. Oh! It is out by Solano. What a bad shot. Venegas. Wow! What another shot by Venegas. Balunin to the 10-point game. 23-10. White. 23-13. 23-13. 10-point game. Castres. Jumper. Miss it. Rebounded by Fernandez. Fernandez turning the ball. Fernandez in the middle. Fernandez to Raya. Oh, loose ball. By White. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Solano to Palo. Palo to Manuel. Manuel to Castres. Castres to Solano. What a block! There's a foul. 76, 2 shots. 23-13. 30 foul. Nire-reflect pa sa'yo, pare. Shoot, pare. Shoot. 23-14. It's a 9-point game. Second shot. One more. Call by Stout.
Oo, yung nakaiwalay, di ba? Mas flexible yun, di ba?
Miss it again. Rebounded by Castres. Sebo. 47 seconds left. 9-point game. Seconds left. Intercepted by Gansay. Palo take a shot. And one by Palo. Power play by Palo. With power number 19. Julie Fernandez. Warning for penalty, White. 23-16, 7-point game. Follow free throw, all air. Was ball automatic violation. It's 5-0. 6 to go, 8 seconds to go. 6 seconds to go. Oh, another over by Martin. Oh, now in second half, third quarter, first 5. Go! Teka, magre-reset ka rin. Magre-reset na kami. Teka, pare. Magre-reset na kami. Okay. Let's go! Next possession block. Sing. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Ubanyana. Julie Fernandez got the ball. Easy two. What a defense by the white team. Noel in the middle. Noel dribbling the ball. It's a 9-point game. Ubanyana to Solano take a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Forward. White ball. Raya calling the shot. Raya taking the ball. Raya pounded by Noel. To Fernandez. What a pass. There's a foul called by the referee. Karandang. How many shots? 2 shots. Rep. Shooting foul. 25-16, 9-point game. This is the third quarter, first 5 minutes. Boracay, nothing but net. 10-point game. Merote again, nothing but net. Flash, free throw by Merote. 11-point game. Manuel, Tumaranda. Ubanyana. Intercepted by Singh. Raya fighting the ball. Raya counted by Pego. To Fernandez to Singh. To Merote. Oh! Lose the ball. Obanyana. Obanyana is right. How did may react? Karandang. Peko takes a shot. In and out. Karandang takes a shot. Walang power shot. May Karandang. Number 65. 18-27. 9-point game. 9-point game. Acanya takes a three. Miss it. Rebounded by Perote. Rebounded by Acanya. Rebounded by Perote again. Oh, pass back to Peko. Peko takes to Manuel. Manuel to Karandang. Karandang loses the ball. Saved by the ball. Saved by Karandang. Noel to Solano. Solano fakes. To Obanyana takes an easy two again. Back to back to Obanyana. The 7-point game. The White Blackens is defending. Fernandez. 7-point game. Fernandez looking for a man. To Perote. Perote loses the ball. Fernando. Ryan loses the ball. Solano to Peko. To Manuel. Oh, missed this shot. So easy. Acanya to Perote. To Ryan. Oh, what a good goal. To Perote. Oh, what a shot. Oh, what a shot by Commissioner.
Finally.
Second game. Noel, give it the ball. 20-29, it's 9-point game. Solano. To Obanyana. Guarded by Fernandez. Defended by Fernandez. Peko to Obanyana. To Karandang. To Solano fakes. Uy. To Obanyana, what a cut. Oh, what a miss by Obanyana. Perote, dili ka pa. Perote, loses the ball. Karandang to Peko to Obanyana. There's the foul.
Nandito kasi sa likod.
May foul si Acanya. Foul si Acanya. 29.
Sabi ko sa'yo, yung mata na
29.
Tanggalin mo yung goggles mo!
First shot. No more time. Flip. No more time.
Yan, tanggalin mo na yan! Tanggalin mo yung goggles mo!
29.
Magandang highlights yun ah.
Makes the shot. 29. 7-point game.
Ganda-ganda pa ng buhay niya.
This is black ball. This is last 5 minutes of the
Blooper.
third quarter.
Delete yun.
Pang-highlight ka,
Highlight. Blooper.
May bloopers.
Play of the
Pero
day.
ate, pare, kailangan
Play
yan
the
kay
game.
Gatos. Pero ate, nag-last Gatos yun, pare. Pag-Gatos yun. Okay, pare, Lako. Lako, pare, dito. Lako. Inbound doon. Lako.
Naka-record ba yun?
Oh.
Huwag na, baseline na. Tinuturo ko nga baseline. Doon, baseline. Tinuturo ko nga.
Play of the day.
Okay, next possession. White. Castres to Manuel. Manuel takes the shot and makes it.
Marami.
4-29.
Yun ang malinaw na travel.
It's a 5-point to Benegas. Easy 2 by Benegas. What a shot by Benegas. Number 44, 2 points. Give it up, Benegas. Castres. Castres. To Palo. Palo, dribble. Palo. Palo, right, take a shot. Ooh, was foul, right?
Open,
Two shot.
open.
Number 44, foul. Second team foul.
Two shots by Paquito Diaz.
First personal foul. By Benegas. Miss free throw by Palo. It's a 7-point game. 7-point game, Palo. Second free throw. Makes the second free throw. 6-point game. Sing. Hounded by Castres. Benegas. Benegas crossing the line. To Sing. Sing takes the 3. Oh, miss again. Rebound by Acanya. No foul. Rebounded by Palo. Palo dribbling the ball. Palo to Castres. To Obanyala. What a play by Castres. Obanyala. It's a 4-point game. Momentum by Black. Momentum by Black. Benegas. Benegas dribbling the ball. Benegas. To Fernandez. Fernandez. Takes the 3 and miss it. It's a 4-point game. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres. Momentum by Black team. Castres. Castres to Palo. Palo. To Obanyana. Obanyana to nowhere. Take a shot. In and out. Rebounded. Was foul, right? 3-ball foul. Sing. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Noel. Noel to Castres. Castres to Obanyana. Easy 2. Oh, nakibantet by Obanyana. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. Arcanya. Arcanya. Hounded by Castres. Arcanya. Benegas. Woo! Intercepted by Palo. Palo drive. That's a foul. What a play by Palo. 29-31. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. It's a 2-point game. First free throw. Snap back then. And foul. 1-point game. Lucky catching up. Good coaching, right? Good coaching, coach. Missed by Palo. Rebounded by Sing. To Ryan. 1 minute to go. To Sing. To Sing. Fernandez. 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 To Ryan. And makes it. 33-30. 3-point game. It's a 3-point game. Seconds to go. 45 seconds to go. Noel. Obanyana. Obanyana pitch. Palo. 5-4 foul. Penalty, right? 5 fouls. Penalty. Penalty na, penalty. 5 fouls na team foul eh. 4 fouls na sinakanya, 4 fouls. 4 fouls. 4 fouls sa kanya. 4 fouls. Abang natin na. Miss. Free throw by Palo. Clear. No more time. Clear. Miss. Isa pa. Yeah, 4. Ang kanya 4 fouls. Yan ang pari ito na. So, White liver. Isa. White ball. White ball. White ball. 3-point game. White ball. 3-point game. 33-30. It's a 3-point game. Next possession block. Judy Fernandez to sing. Sing next shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Raya. Raya takes the shot. Rebounded by Jegas. That's a foul. Foul 55. 65. Shooting foul. Calendar foul. Pino Venegas. First free throw. Makes it. 34-30. It's a 4-point game. Venegas 1 point. Second shot. Second shot. Rebounded by. What? What the call, ref? Foul? Foul 34. Third personal foul, first team foul. Oh, Alcanya. Makes it up. In and out. Casper. Casper living the ball. Casper. Peko takes a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Casper. Casper takes a shot and miss it. Rebounded by Judy. Judy to Alcanya. Alcanya fakes. Double dribble by the referee. Sabing, ref. We got the sub already. Sub. Pare, hindi daw na kami ng sub. Lagay mo daw yung bola. Sub na sila. Pare, yung bola. Hindi, we call the sub, pare. Hindi siya nakikinig eh. We call the sub. Yeah. Tumawag muna kami ng call the sub. Castres, living the ball. Castres. To Noel Manuel. Takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Raya. To Fernandez. What a game. Fernandez in the middle. Fernandez looking for man. Fernandez to Venegas. Takes a shot. Easy to again by Venegas. 36-30. Momentum by the white team. 7:29 seconds to go. 6-point game. Banyana fakes to Solano. Lose the ball. Banyana takes a shot. Miss it. Solano takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Fernandez to Alcanya. Alcanya dribbling the ball. Alcanya. Very smart move by Alcanya. To Raya. To Judy in the middle. Judy, 64-54. To Alcanya. To Venegas. What a play by the white team. Timeout block. What a play by the white team. 6.4 seconds to go. 38-30 in favor of white. Momentum play by the white team. Let's go! Ano yung baseline? Black ball. Baseline, black ball. Sub. Pare, okay. 8-point game. Noel in the middle. Noel Manuel. To Palo. Palo again by Judy. Wow, what a defense by Judy. Judy. There's a foul. Who's ball, rep? 1-9 foul. 30. Second personal foul. Second personal foul, Judy. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Nolan takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Artanya. To Rayat. Rayat to Singh. To Judy. To Rayat. Rayat. Rayat dribbling the ball. Rayat to Singh. To Fernandez. To Rayat. Takes a shot. What a play by the white team. Obanyana. It's a 10-point game. Manuel. To Castres. Castres takes a shot. And rebounded by Judy Fernandez. Rayat to Judy. To Singh. Singh to Fernandez. To Benegas. The white team is playing smart. It's black ball. Loose ball by the white team. Great defense by Palo. 40-10. It's a 10-point game. Obanyana drive. Block by Benegas. Castres take a three. Wow, walang nakanin. Oh, possession again by Black. Palo. There's a foul. Down low by the referee. 3-4 foul. 14 foul. 4 fouls. Sing. 4 fouls. Sing. 4 foul. 3-10 foul. Castres to Obanyana. Obanyana fakes. Obanyana. Oh, walang takay niya dyan. What a defense by Whitey. Incredible defense by Black. Whitey. Oh! Incredible defense by Whitey. What a defense. Rayat. To Benyek. Fernandez to Rayat. To Artanya. To Singh. Singh takes a three. Miss it again. Rebounded by Palo to Castres. Castres drives. 2 points by Castres. 8-point game. 4:32. Fernandez to Artanya. Artanya loses the ball. Artanya to Fernandez. Yeah. 4:18. 7 seconds to go. 3 seconds. 10 seconds. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. 32-40. 8-point game. 8-point game. Manuel fakes. To Obanyana. Obanyana takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Manuel. Rebounded by Judy. Judy to Rayat. How's it? Oh! Got by Palo to Rayat. There's a foul. 4-4. Is it shooting? Now no. Side ball. Warning for penalty. No penalty. It's just warning for penalty. 2 personal foul, Benegas. Castres to Obanyana takes a shot. Makes it. It's a 6-point game. 6-point game. Fernandez dribbling the ball. Fernandez to Benegas. Singh to Artanya. Seconds to go. Miss it. Rebounded by. It's black ball. Castres. Cashless takes the floater. It's a 4-point game. It's a 4-point game. Black team is inching in. Fernandez. 10-second shot ka. 10-second shot. No foul. Go by the referee. Cashless. Cashless got the ball. Cashless laying it up. It makes it. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Arcanya got the ball. Arcanya in the middle. Arcanya. To Rayat. Rayat takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Rayat. Look, shot. Reset it to 14. Rayat. Mamasakin pa rin. Loose ball. Rebounded by Noel. To Cáceres. 2 minutes to go. They're taking 40. There's a foul. Down low. Push shot. Penalty. Push shot. 4 personal foul, Rayat. A first personal. Time out, White. One timeout each. Oh! Oh! What a rebound by Paulo! It's a tie game! All 40! The tie balon game. Fernandez to Arcanya. Seconds to go. Miss the ball. To Cáceres in the middle. To Ubanyana. Playing it cool. To Paulo takes the shot. Rebounded by Solano. Cáceres. Ubanyana again. Oh, miss it. To Power. Who's 44. Penalty. Third foul, number 44. Third personal foul, Peñega. Penalty. Forty-one 40. Paulo again! Oh, what a rebound by Paulo! 40. Sing! Oh, what a intercept! Oh, what a intercept! To Rayat! Oh! What's the goal, eh? Goal contact! 43-42. Good foul rep. 33. Yeah. So, may throw meron dito. Side ball na. Side ball throwing by black. Yeah. Side ball throwing by black. Side ball throwing by black. Or yung sideline. No free throw. Foul lang. Penalty block.
nangyari?
Tinula. One lang. One shot, one shot. Yeah. Penalty, 2 shot. Penalty block. Penalty block. Sorry. Sorry, hindi penalty ang block ha. White pala ang penalty. O hindi penalty. Para hindi penalty. Hindi penalty, hindi penalty. Pre, hindi penalty.
Sims.
Stop. Lamang sila isa. Hindi, wala kang dito. No sideline na. Counted na yun. Hindi, black ball kasi. White ball yun, white ball. Oh, white ball daw, white ball. White ball. White ball. No more timeout na black. Sila yung tumawag. Ref. Ano? Pare, tight game ha. 1 point game. Go.
Bong.
Pare,
Bong.
Play.
Ha? Wala si Rene. Kulang tayo. So, ibig sabihin, makalaro ako nito ng 4 quarter.
Blanco. 42 seconds left. 42 seconds left. 1 point game. Castles. Hardy by Venegas. Manuel. Angkanya dribbling the ball. Angkanya. To what a play. Oh, missed by Singh. Castles. Pow! 15 seconds left. Penalty 2 shot.
Lamang ng 10.
Ubanyala, kick bro.
Pwede.
15 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Yeah, meron na naman. 43-42. Time out! White! 44-42. Saan ang gusto niyong possession? Dito? Okay. Mid-court sa kabila. Good. It's a 2-point game. Both team want to win. Ano bang premyo dito? Wala. Bantisan. Ikaw ang premyo? Kutsyo.
Bakit? Hindi kasi hindi ka nag-practice sa labas.
Wala yan, hindi ako nag-practice ngayon.
15 seconds to go.
Kasi kung saan nag-practice ka sa winter. Yeah, that's why.
Pag winter, wala na. Hindi ko makalakot. Ngayon,
15 seconds to go. Angkanya, balik, Sing. Angkanya. Kando. Sideline, throw in.
Tres, si J, tres.
15 foul, bantak. Sing. Foul. 44. Penalty. 14 fouls only, 14 fouls. Warning for penalty, 3 seconds to go.
J.
3 seconds to go. 3 seconds to go. Oh.
Here we go.
What a game.
Making crap for money. Money.
Final score 43-44, Black Team win. Diva.
当他们都在说有钱才能做自我，掉入消费主义陷阱，花钱不思索，被思想的艺术品多得我快数不清。